In this video, we'll show you how to make a modded Minecraft server with Minecraft Forge. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you have a modded Minecraft setup and you want to play with your friends, you can totally do it by hosting your own server on your PC. Setting it up with Forge is pretty straightforward, but there are a few things you need to know first. The method I'll show you will require you to port forward your router, and you'll be sharing your IP address with anyone who joins your server, which can be risky as you're exposing your home network. If you want a simple, quick, and safe method instead, you can use Apex Hosting, which is a sponsor of this video. With Apex Hosting, you can literally set up a modded Forge server in minutes. Just log into your panel, select Forge from the server type options, choose Minecraft version, and you're ready to go. Plus, they offer super fast performance with their high-speed servers, so your gameplay will be smooth and lag-free. They also have amazing customer support available 24/7. If you use their service, you're supporting the channel, so thank you so much. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is to download the Minecraft Forge installer. Open up your browser and search for Minecraft Forge. Click on the official Minecraft Forge website. On the left, you can select your Minecraft version. I'm using Minecraft 121.10, so what I can do is just click the installer button. Wait about 10 seconds for the page to load, and then click the skip button on the top corner. It'll trigger the download. You can save it anywhere in your PC. I'll just save it on my desktop here. Click save, and the download will start. Once it's downloaded, you'll have it in a jar extension, so you'll need Java installed to open it. You can go to java.com, and here just click download Java for desktop and download and install the latest Java version on your PC. Now, to make sure everything works, we also need JDK. Go back to java.com and look for developer downloads link on the right side of the page. Now you're gonna find JDK 21, select your system and download the x64 installer and install it on your PC. After you install Java, you can now right click on the Forge installer file, open with, select choose another app, pick Java, and select always. This will open Java files for Java in the future. Here you'll see two options, install client and install server. Click on install client first and hit OK. This installs Forge for your local game so you can play with the mods. Everyone who joins your server will need to do this as well. Now we're gonna create a new folder on your desktop for your server. Right click, new, and create a new folder. You can call it Minecraft Forge server or whatever you like. This is where all your server files will go. Alright, now open that Forge installer again. This time, click on install server. A red box will pop up. Click on the three dots inside the red box and then navigate to the Minecraft Forge server folder you just created. Click open and then click OK. The installer will now download and install all the Forge server files into your folder. Alright, now we can add mods to the server. So the mods on your server need to match exactly with the mods on your client, because if the server has mods that your client doesn't have, you'll get kicked out. And if your client has mods that the server doesn't have, it won't work either. So basically, both need to be identical. Since you already have a modded Minecraft setup, we're just gonna copy your mods from your local game to the server. Find your local Minecraft mods folder. You can do this by opening your Minecraft launcher, finding your Forge installation, and clicking the folder icon to go to the installation folder. And here we're gonna copy the mods folder and paste it to your server folder. So just right click on the mods folder, press copy, go to your Minecraft Forge server folder, right click, and paste the mods folder here. And now we're ready to run the server. Now inside Minecraft Forge server folder, double click the run.bat file to launch the server. It'll try to start but will fail immediately. Don't worry, this is totally normal. You can close the terminal, and now what you're gonna do is look for eula.txt. So we're gonna open it up, right click, open with, and open it up with Notepad. You can go to this link here to read the eula, and if you agree, you can change eula false to eula true, like this. Now just go to file and hit save, and you can close this. Now you can open up run.bat again, and this time your server will start loading. Wait until you see done in the console, and now your server is up and running, and it's time to jump in and test out your server. Since you already have all the mods installed locally on your client, you can open up Minecraft launcher, and on the play tab, make sure you have Forge as the profile. Click play, and Minecraft will launch with Forge. Now from the main menu, go to multiplayer and then click add server at the bottom. You can set your server name, and for the server address, you can type localhost like that and press done. You'll have your server in the list. Just select it and hit join server. If you do everything correctly, you'll spawn into the world on your server. So to get your friends joining, they need your IP address, which means you gotta port forward your router. If you're not sure how, we have a video on that. But here's the thing though. Port forwarding can be risky if you messed it up, and every time your internet resets, your IP changes, and your friends will not be able to connect. Plus, your server is only live when your PC is running. That's why Apex Hosting is perfect for this. They handle all the port forwarding for you, your server is always online, and your IP stays the same. And the most importantly, you don't have to worry about security risks or your friends losing connection. And that's it for now.